Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Magenta from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw another number 8. Lying on its side. And right inside the number 8, I'm going to draw the 2 eyes. And then 2 light reflections, of course. Let's color the pupils in. Now right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm just going to draw 2 little lines, skew lines going up, and I'm just going to round it off at the top. Now right below, we're going to draw a nose. We're going to draw a hook like this, and now we're going to draw the nose, the lower part of the nose. Right below that, we're going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to make 2 marks for me. That's how far I want. And then from here, I'm just going to follow it back to the mouth, and from here, I'm just going to bring it out to that dot. And now for the side of the head. We're going to draw this jawline and bring it out, bring it in, and right to the top. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to draw a little jawline, take it around all the way to the top. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. Take it around, nice and round, going up, nice and round on top, and bring it back to the other side. And on the head there's a few spots, so I'm just going to draw a spot here on the cheek, maybe a little spot here on the top of the head, and on the other cheek maybe a bigger spot. And now we can draw the ears. First I'm going to draw the inner ear. I'm going to bring it out and I'm going to connect it. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. And now for the outer ear. I'm going to start here at the bottom, and I'm going to make a nice round curve, and I'm going to stop right there. And here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to try to follow it roughly, doesn't have to be perfect. And now we can draw the ears. So on top here, I'm going to bring the ear and I'm going to connect it. And on this side, I'm going to start here at the bottom. It doesn't matter which way where you're going to start. Bring it back to the head. And now I can draw a few spots again. There's a spot, and maybe we can draw another big spot right there. And then on this side, I'm going to draw another big spot here at the bottom, and maybe one here on top of the ear. Now we can go down. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to draw the toe. I'm going to draw another toe and another toe. Just going to stop there. On this side I'm going to do the same thing, bring it all the way around. And you're going to draw 3 toes. You're going to stop right here. From the head, bring it back, connect it to the foot. Bring the leg down, connect it to the foot. And right here inside, I'm just going to draw 2 spots. I'm going to draw a little mark here, the underside of the belly. And now I'm going to draw 2 feet sticking out. I'm going to start with the toe first. So we're just going to draw 3 toes, bring it all the way around. On the side, let's do the same thing. 3 toes and a little pad here at the bottom. And there's Magenta. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Magenta will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.